Welcome to Bina classes. As we have started production possibility curve discussion, so it is in progress of the same topic. Today here we will discuss the features of production possibility curve, the features of PPC. There are two main features, and these are: number one, PPC is a downward sloping curve. It means the curve slopes downward from left to right. Okay, why it is so? It is because there is inverse relationship between two goods, production of two goods. It means that if you want to produce one more unit of good one, you have to sacrifice the production of good two. That is true. So naturally, अगर एक बढ़ेगा तो दूसरा घटेगा. अगर वन का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाओगे तो टू का प्रोडक्शन घटेगा. This is the reason the production possibility curve is downward sloping. Next is your PPC is concave to the origin. Now, what is this? Is concave curve, concave to the origin. Here is you got the zero is the origin, and this curve is concave to the origin. Why? Why it is so? This is so because of the operation of increasing MRT. Now, increasing MRT means increasing marginal rate of transformation. This topic, this part we have discussed in the previous video. There we have seen that, say, if you want to produce, so first, let's take the first case. In the initial stage, the whole amount of resource being used to the production of good 2. Okay, then you can produce this amount of good 2. Now you have decided you want to produce 1 unit of good 1. So if you want to produce 1 unit of good 1, then you sacrifice, you transform the production of resource for the production of good 2 to good 1. So पहले आपने एक छोड़ा तो आपको यहाँ पर एक मिल गया. Then if you want to produce one more unit of good 1, you can do that, you can go by that. Then again they have to sacrifice 2 units of good 2 to get 1 unit of good 1. Then you sacrifice 3 units of good 2, you get 1 unit of good 1. Then you sacrifice 4 units to get 1. Then you sacrifice 5 units to get 1. In this way, you see here, the rate of sacrifice or rate of transformation from 2 to 1 is in increasing order. मतलब पहले एक छोड़ा एक मिला, फिर 2 छोड़ा तो एक मिला, फिर 3 छोड़ा तो एक मिला, फिर 4 छोड़ा तो एक मिला, फिर 5 छोड़ा तो एक मिला. This is what we call increasing marginal rate of transformation. And because of this increasing marginal rate of transformation, the PPC curve is concave to the origin. These are two main features. Then we will go to the next. What is there? Now see, this is straight line, something like demand curve. The question comes here, can PPC be a straight line? We have seen earlier that PPC is concave to the origin. Now question comes, can we draw a straight line PPC? Normally we say no, PPC cannot be a straight line. It is concave to the origin. But for the sake of argument, if you say no, PPC can be a straight line, then under what circumstances PPC will be a straight line? PPC can be a straight line when the marginal rate of transformation is constant, not increasing. Means आप गुड्स 2 एक छोड़ोगे तो गुड 1 एक ज़्यादा मिलेगा, फिर एक छोड़ो फिर एक ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Means here you are not following the increasing rate of transformation. That is why this PPC curve normally cannot be a straight line. PPC will be a straight line subject to constant rate of returns. But here in case of MRT, I mean PPC, we cannot take this assumption of constant return, constant transformation. We cannot take it. That's why PPC will not be a straight line. Normally it will be a concave to the origin. Now see here, shift of the PPC. Now there are 2 points. First, here see, the curve has shifted to the right. Next we'll see the curve shift to the left. The question comes here, when does a PPC shift to the right side? देखो पहले तो बात है कि you have got given resource. Now with that given resource you can produce OA amount of good 1, good 2 or OA amount of good 1. Okay. Then you can change the combination. You can decrease the production of good 1, you can decrease the production of good 2 and you can increase the production of good 1, right? But under what circumstances the PPC curve shift to the right? It is possible only when there is increase in resource or technology. अगर resource बढ़ गया, technology improvement हो गया, then this curve will shift to the right. Okay, it means that when the curve shift to the right, see, you can produce this amount of extra amount of good 2 or this extra amount of good 1. This is possible only when there is growth of resource. तो आपका सवाल क्या है? सवाल ये है कि when does a PPC shift to the right? Answer is the PPC shift to the right when there is growth of resource, right? Next is your, see this curve, leftward shift of PPC. ये भी हो सकता है. PPC can shift to the left. When it happens? When there is deterioration of technology or decrease in growth. दो में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. ग्रोथ का रिसोर्स का ग्रोथ कम हो गया या टेक्नोलॉजी पुराना हो गया. In such situation, the PPC will shift to the left side. Here it's shown by the arrow and the dotted line is the new PPC. So earlier say you could have produced OA amount of good 2 or this OA amount of good 1. Now due to the shift of the curve to the left side, your volume production of good 2 has decreased by this amount, AB amount from this side or BA amount from this side. Means your production of both good 1 and good 2 decrease. So the production of good 2 decrease from OA to OB. Net fall in production is by AB. On the other hand, production of good 1 decrease from OA to OB. Net fall in production is by AB or BA amount of goods, and this is mainly due to technological deterioration or technological degradation or fall in the volume of resource. Under such situation, the PPC can shift to the left, and this is not at all a good sign for the growth of an economy, for the growth of a country. We always prefer to see a rightward shift of the PPC. Okay, and now one more point for you. You can show both the curves on the same diagram. Here it's shown left hand side. You can draw another curve here, right hand side. Then you can show both the curves on the same diagram. आपका अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है, लाइक करो तो जस्ट सब्सक्राइब, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.